Hello guys, welcome to my another channel. Today in this video we will see how to adjust the mouse cursor. I've been using this laptop for Dell laptop for last 6 months, and now I feel that mouse cursor is very slow. So guys, all you have to do to fix this, all you have to do is just go into the settings. I know this is a bit frustrating. Go into the settings, click on device, make sure you find for mouse, and you see cursor speed. So this is very low, so make it 9, or if you want you can keep up to 10 as well. I would say 10 is the best. Okay, now you can see mouse cursor is nice and fast and smooth. I will do it one more time. Go to the settings. This is on Windows 10 and Windows 11, or you can use older laptops as well. So click on device, mouse, cursor speed. You can keep up to 5 is too slow. Keep 10 will do better for you. That's it. I'll go for 12 because I like my mouse cursor to be faster. Okay then, I hope you like this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.